promise of effortless weight loss is the ultimate siren song for anyone who has ever spent a grueling hour on a treadmill or stared longingly at a meal they decided to skip. We all want the shortcut. We want the magic solution that bypasses the hard work. Lately, the internet has been buzzing about a new player in the wellness space. It is a microneedle patch that claims to be a total game changer for your body. This little sticker makes some truly wild promises. The marketing says it can melt away fat while you go about your day. It claims to boost your metabolism and even control your blood sugar levels. They even throw in skin tightening for good measure. It sounds like a dream come true for anyone tired of the slow grind of traditional dieting. But we have to look past the flashy graphics and the bold text. When a product makes extraordinary claims, it needs extraordinary evidence to back them up. In this case, that evidence is missing. You will see plenty of buzzwords. They use terms like clinically tested and government approved. These phrases are designed to make you feel safe. They want you to think this is a high-tech medical breakthrough. However, when you go looking for the actual data, you find a whole lot of nothing. There are no links to peer-reviewed studies. There are no documents from official health agencies. It is all just smoke and mirrors. The promotional videos often feel a bit too polished. They use stock footage of people who look perfectly fit and happy. Many of the testimonials seem like they were created by a computer. They lack the grit and detail of a real person sharing a real journey. If you look closely, you might notice something even more suspicious. This patch looks remarkably similar to generic herbal patches you can buy for a few dollars on massive discount websites. It is a classic move in the supplement industry. A company takes a cheap generic product and gives it a fancy brand name. Then they create a sleek website and mark up the price by hundreds of dollars. They use emotional stories and high-pressure sales tactics. They tell you that you only have a few minutes left to get a discount. This is meant to trigger an impulse buy. They do not want you to stop and think. They do not want you to do your research. They want your credit card number before the timer hits 0. Let's talk about the biology for a second. Your skin is a very effective barrier. It is designed to keep things out. Getting active ingredients through that barrier and into your bloodstream is a massive scientific challenge. A simple patch with tiny needles is unlikely to deliver the punch needed to transform your metabolism. Most of these products are just expensive stickers. Some people might find a psychological benefit to wearing them. It can serve as a physical reminder to stick to your goals. But as a fat-burning miracle, the science just does not hold up. Real health is not sold in a box. It is built through balanced nutrition and regular movement. It comes from quality sleep and managing your stress. These things are not as exciting as a microneedle patch. They require effort and patience every single day. But they are the only things that actually work in the long run. Do not let a polished ad convince you that there is a secret shortcut. Your health is too important to leave to chance or to unverified marketing claims. Look for trusted alternatives and listen to experts who do not have a product to sell you. Sustainable change takes time. It is a marathon, not a sprint. A tiny sticker is never going to replace the power of a healthy lifestyle. Stay skeptical and keep your eyes on the real prizes of consistency and discipline.